The difference between the Invader 2000 and your other bog standard security systems is that you've got the facility to record and personalise your alarm.
Right, she's ready.
Yep.
Gonna give her a go?
That's it.
Aye.
Arming the Invader. Activate. Activate.
Just flick the switch.
What?
Flick the switch.
Flicking the switch. You know, nice enough there. See, it is now alarmed, and any exterior force will trigger it. It's new, it'll need tweaking.
Maybe if you...
Get back, you bastard! I'll break your legs!
That's me! That's my voice!
I'll break
that
your legs!
is shit hot!
And at a price you
Get
can
back, you
afford.
bastard! I'll break your legs!